Do you know that in Japan, how you use chopsticks can say a lot about your manners? While chopsticks may seem simple, there are some big etiquette mistakes that can make you stand out for the wrong reasons. Today, we're going to talk about 5 common chopstick mistakes that you should never make in Japan. Avoid these, and you'll be one step closer to mastering Japanese dining etiquette. 1. Hashi watashi, passing food from chopstick to chopstick. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is passing food from chopstick to chopstick. This is a serious cultural taboo in Japan. Why is it bad? This action is only done during funeral rituals, where bones are passed between family members after cremation. Doing this at the dinner table reminds people of death, which is extremely inappropriate. What to do instead? If you want to share food, place it on a small plate, so the other person can pick it up themselves. 2. Tatabashi sticking chopsticks into rice. Never stick your chopsticks upright into a bowl of rice. This is a huge no-no in Japan. Why is it bad? This is another funeral-related gesture, where a bowl of rice with chopsticks sticking out is placed on a Buddhist altar as an offering to the dead. Doing this at the dining table is considered bad luck and highly disrespectful. What to do instead? Lay your chopsticks across the bowl or use a chopstick rest. 3. Mayoi-bashi hovering chopsticks over food. Have you ever hovered your chopsticks over dishes, trying to decide what to eat? Well, in Japan, that's actually considered rude. Why is it bad? It makes you look indecisive and inconsiderate, as if you are searching for the best bite. It's seen as bad table manners, especially in formal settings. What to do instead? Decide what you want before picking up your chopsticks and go for it confidently. 4. Yosebashi dragging plates with chopsticks. Using your chopsticks to pull a plate or bowl closer to you. Big mistake. Why is it bad? It looks lazy and impolitable manners matter in Japan. Chopsticks are for eating, not for moving plates. What to do instead? Use your hands to move plates instead of your chopsticks. 5. Niburi-bashi licking chopsticks. Licking or sucking your chopsticks? Absolutely not! This is seen as extremely bad manners in Japan. Why is it bad? It looks childish and unsanitary, especially when sharing food. It can make others uncomfortable, as it's seen as impolite and unhygienic. What to do instead? Use a napkin if you need to clean your chopsticks. So there you have it. These are 5 chopstick mistakes you must avoid in Japan. Which one surprised you the most? Have you ever made any of these mistakes? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Japanese culture tips and etiquette guides.